Right arm Pataka Hasta Mudra simultaneously with your foot moves up on the right side. The position above the head, palm up, returning semicircle to the starting position. Head and eyes follow the movement of hand. All the same is done on the left side. First beat Chauka step 1. Beat 2 is done by your right foot and your arm simultaneously moves up. Beat 3 is done with your left foot in the position Prishtadhanupada. On beat 4, right foot stands back to the position of Chauka. All the same is done on the left side.
Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. De, na, ti, na, karataka, dhina, kete. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. De, na, ti, na, karataka, dhina, kete. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. De, na, ti, na, karataka, dhina, kete. Ta, ti, na, karataka, te. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. Ta, I, ti, na, karataka, te. De, na, ti, na, karataka, dhina, kete. Ta.